Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Dear Daniel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the hair. Let's draw a curve down. And let's draw 3 more on each side. Now on each side, let's draw the ears by drawing a curve out and up. And then curve it down. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve down and bring it in for the sides of the head. And connect it with the curve across at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and draw the face. In the center, let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And 2 ovals for the eyes. And color them both in black. Now top out and let's draw 3 curves going out on each side for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath on each side and let's draw a curve down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now top in and let's draw a curve at the top. And then 2 circles for the buttons. Now we're going to hop out and draw the arms. On each side, let's draw a curve down. And curve it back in underneath. And then inside each arm, let's draw an angle. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the legs. Let's start inside the body and let's draw a line down and continue it underneath. Now let's hop to each side and let's draw a line down. And curve it in towards the center to close off each leg. And that's it for Dear Daniel. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!